Ba som chim so sa e-school Cambodia Kanyom. I'd like to say hello and a warm greetings to all of my students at eSchool Cambodia. This is Mr. McCall or Teacher Charles. I'd like to welcome you back. And today we're still on Unit 5 in the intro book, but now we're on page 30. We're focusing on telling time, understanding about how do you say time in different ways, because there are different ways to say time. Understanding about what happens when you call someone in another country far away and it's morning here, it's the middle of the night there, and so how do we figure all of that time zones and international dateline and all of that out. And so now we're on exercise number 5, telling time, part 2. Okay, in our previous lesson we studied about telling time part 1, and so we're going to be learning words like how do we say it, 10 past the hour, 10:15, 10:45, 15 before the hour. So we'll be learning about telling time, but we'll be learning about half past, quarter past, quarter till, words like that. I'll explain it to you, and you will be an expert American English speaker when we're done. I believe in you. You must practice. Remember, so you have to listen, and you have to practice your speaking. And so let's look at these slides. Look at the lesson on page number 30, telling time, part A right now. Listen and practice. And so you see, these are different kinds of clocks. You see the black clock, it says 1 o'clock, 1:00. There's another one, it says 1:15, 1:15. Another one, it says 1:40. We call these digital clocks. Those are digital clocks. I'll write it for you. So we have digital clocks, and we have analog clocks. So the digital clock has the face. This is the face of the clock, and it says 1:15. That's a digital clock. An analog clock is usually round, and it usually has 12, 3, 6, 9, at least that. And it has a shorthand, which is an hour hand, and it has a long hand, which is a minute hand. So these are called the hands of the clock. The hands of the clock. The hour hand and the minute hand. But we have digital clocks and we have analog clocks. And so what kind of a clock, by the way, what kind of a clock do you have on your phone? So if I look at my phone, I open it, and there's a digital clock on my phone. But I have a clock app. And look, when I open my clock app, there's an analog. So you can choose what kind that you like. Sometimes I like to look at the analog clock. Sometimes I like to look at the digital clock. So let me ask you this. This is one of your homeworks. That if you have a watch, if you wear a watch, do you wear an analog clock, or analog watch, or do you wear a digital watch? So I want you to chat with me. Teacher, I don't wear a watch. Teacher, I wear an analog watch. Teacher, I wear a digital clock. Remember, we use a or a before the next word that starts with the consonant, digital, da. And we use an before the next word that starts with a vowel. Okay, so message me, please chat with me. Teacher, I don't wear a watch. Teacher, I wear an analog watch. Teacher, I wear a digital. Digital and analog, because the first consonant changes whether we use a or an. Okay, so that's one of your homeworks. So just listen to me. I'm just going to say the time. I'll say it, and then you say it after me. Okay, make sure you pronounce it clearly with the consonant, the final consonant. Okay, it's 1 o'clock. So ni itam lokru. It's 1 o'clock. Man men it. It's 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock. It's 1:05. It's 1:05. It means it's 5 minutes after 1 o'clock. 1:05 means 5 minutes after 1 o'clock. It's 1:15. It's 1:15. Or we can say it's a quarter after 1. We say it's a quarter after 1. I'll explain that. It's 1:30. It's 1:30. In British English, they say 1:30. In American English, we do not say 1:30. We say 1:30. It's 1:40. It's 1:40. It means 40 minutes after 1 o'clock. But usually we say it's 20 to 2. See that on your chart? It's 20 to 2. It's 20 minutes before 2 o'clock. But the way we say it, it's 20 to 2. Or the next one, it's 1:45. Or we say it's a quarter till 2. A quarter to 2. I usually say it's a quarter till 2. Or it's 20 till 2. It's easier than saying 2. Okay, so let's say these again. And this time you watch me. We won't look at the slide, but you watch me. It's 1 o'clock. Ni itam lokru. It's 1 o'clock. It's 1:05. It's 5 minutes after 1. 1:05 kaban. 5 minutes after 1 kaban. It's 1:15. 15. It's 1. It's 1 minute. It 1:15. 1. It's 1:15. It's quarter after 1. Say that. Quarter or core or Q-U qua R ter core. Can you say that? Core. So I've got the Q-U core or quarter. It's quarter after 1, or it's 1:15. Whatever's easier. It's 1:30. It's 1:30. We do not say it's 1/2. That's British English. It's 1:40. It's 1:40. It's 1:45. It's 1:50. It's 1:32. Okay, we can say it like that. We say it's 32 minutes after 1 o'clock. It's 1:32. It's 1:40. It's 40 minutes after 1 o'clock. It's 1:50. It's 50 minutes after 1 o'clock. Or we can change and we can say before 2 o'clock. 1:50 is the same as 10 till 2. Or quarter. 1:45 is the same as quarter till 2. 1:40 is the same as 20 till 2. 1:35, we can say 1:35, or we can say 25 till 2. So we can say after 1 o'clock or before 2 o'clock. It's whatever is easier for us to say. Okay, and so now let's look at the clocks, and it's just simple. What time is it? What time is it? Okay, and I'm going to pull my notes out so I can get them closer. What time is it? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different times we're going to practice. Okay? You ni itam lakuru. What time is it? It's 2:20. What time is it? It's 20 minutes after 2. 20 minutes after 2, 20 minutes past 2. After 2, past, P-A-S-T. So we can say, it's 2:20, or we can say 20 minutes after 2, or we can say 20 minutes past 2. You can say it either way. Okay, so let's say this again. What time is it? Ni itam lakru, doi samlang lakru nai. What time is it? It's 2:20. It's 20 minutes past 2. What time is it? Ni itam lakru. What time is it? Ni doi lakru. What time is it? It's 6:50. It's 10 minutes before 7. It's 6:50. It's 10 minutes before 7. What time is it? It's 8:45. Man meant it? It's 8:45. It's 9:15. It's 9:15. What time is it? It's 11:05. It's 5 past 11. It's 5 minutes after 11. What time is it? It's 3:15. It's 3:15. It's 15 minutes after 3. What time is it? It's 4:30. It's 4:30. It's not half past, not in American English. Okay, so look, I've showed you 3 different ways that you can say the time. Let's look at number 1 again. What time is it? It's 2:20. Okay, you can say it's 2:20. You can say it's 20 after 2. Or you can say it's 20 past 2. So look at number 2. What time is it? It's 6:50. It's 6:50. Or you can say it's 10 before 7. It's 10 before 7. Or 10 till 7. You can say it that way. Okay, so these are just some different ways, at least 3 different ways that we can say time in American English. Let's do them all one more time, okay? One more time, and then we'll be finished with this exercise. Start from exercise A, part A. You just say it after me. It's 1 o'clock. It's 1:05. It's 5 after 1. It's 1:15. It's a quarter after 1. It's 15 minutes after 1. It's 1:30. It's 1:40. It's 20 till 2. It's 1:45. It's a quarter till 2. Exercise B, part B. It's 2:20. It's 20 minutes past 2. It's 20 minutes after 2. There's 3 ways. Number 2, what time is it? It's 6:50. 6:50. It's 10 till 7. It's 10 minutes before 7. Number 3, what time is it? It's 8:45. It's 8:45. It's quarter till 9. Quarter till 9. Quarter to 9. Number 4, what time is it? It's 11:05. It's 5 past 11. It's 5 minutes after 11. Number 5, what time is it? It's 3:15. It's 15 minutes after 3. It's quarter past 3. Number 6, what time is it? It's 4:30. Okay, and again, let's just look real quick at the chart that we have telling the time. And this is just to review. We have past and to. So 5 past 1, 10 past 2, quarter past 3, 20 past 4, 25 past 5. This is a British English chart, and so they say half past. Not in American English. Do not say half past in American English. We say 6:30. 12 o'clock, 12:30. You can say 5 past, or you can say 5 after. It's 5 after 1. It's 10 after 2. It's 15 after 3. It's 20 after 4. It's 25 after 5. It's 6:30. It's 25 to 7, or 25 till 7. It's 20 to 8, or 20 till 8. It's quarter to 9, or it's 8:45. It's 10 to 10, 10 to 10, or 10 till 10. 5 to 11, or 5 till 11. So that is just a visual. It's a picture that you can see on how we say past or after, to or till. You can say it either way. All right, let's take a break. I don't think I gave you any homework in this assignment, did I? And so let's take a break, take a rest, and then we'll move on to our next lesson.